What is going on, guys? I just got done editing this video. The hunting has been hard. I would call it terrible, but it's just hard because it's the middle of January right now. Almost it's 50 degrees. Ever since middle of December, it's kind of been like this. Super stagnant, no weather. The birds have been really hard to find, get on, and trick. Super still, water's opening up. They're everywhere, they're scattered. I literally, since the middle of December, have been hunting every weekend. 3 days a week almost, with very little success. I mean, I've been shooting 1, 2, 3 birds every hunt. Nothing crazy, nothing video worthy, but this one's a fun little hunt. It's in the middle of the desert. It is a pond. We knew it was a goose hunt. We scouted it the day before. It had a bunch of geese in it. We got permission to hunt it, and then I've been watching it ever since the hunt. It's had a few birds, not a lot of birds, but I think I'm gonna try to pick it up for next year and lease it for the whole year. So this hunt was really kind of just to feel it out, and obviously to kill something. I had to switch to geese. I couldn't, my spots, I couldn't trick the ducks anymore, and I was trying everything, trust me. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's hunt, or this video's hunt. There is one section where my cameras were on the charger. We had a bunch of geese working. I landed them. I did it on my Instagram story, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've kind of already seen it a few weeks ago. But I couldn't get the volume to play. I couldn't get the volume on the computer. So you guys got to deal with some free music that's not trademarked or anything, so I apologize for that. I'm kind of computer illiterate. But again, hope you guys liked the video. Please like it, please subscribe, do all that stuff so you guys don't miss out. Thanks, guys. Go ahead and shoot over top of him, Tyler. Hey, did we get anything? There's one.
Get him, Cal, go!
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Crouch down a little bit, be slow. Let's see if we can land the other group. And there's two on the edge of the eyes. Don't move, they're coming over the top. Try not to look. Am I on? Is there a red light? Right behind us, try not to move. He's ready.
Got him.
Did you get one?
Yeah, over there.
Nice. Go look for that one. I'm gonna work with Callie on this bird. Well, we're on the board, and I think you guys were pointed down. Callie's making a nice retrieve.
Get him, Cal.
Birds are working. See what happens. Just breaking ice. Get a girl. Get a girl. Get a girl. Once she gets there and comes back, it'll be easy. Not if it does that.
Get it, Cal. Get it, Cal.
She get it? Good girl. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. She's gonna go under it. Make sure she doesn't drop that bird. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Come, mama. I don't know if shaking on me was the most necessary thing. That's a little bird. They're on the board with a young juvie. Little bird. But they worked nice. They worked good. They don't want to land here. I wanted to move the decoys a little bit, but this is like 3 feet of mud before you hit bottom and walk. It's miserable. So we're going to keep after it. See what happens, you know. Nice to kill a bird finally in a while. Try not to. They're gonna come over the top. We'll try not to move as I'm moving. I know. Don't try not to look up. They might bust us. Try not to look up. They might have busted us. No, they're gonna come down on this one. Get ready to Actually, yeah, get ready to shoot. Get on your knees. Just don't poke your head up high. They're gonna come down. If they don't, we should shoot anyways. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let me shoot this cripple.
Okay.
Don't swim towards me, Bubba.
That one's crippled too.
Get the bird. That's what I'm talking about. Some geese, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go out there, get loaded up.
Fetch it up, Cal. Fetch it up.
Come on, gotta come. I thought they busted us on that first one because they were like hovering right above us.
Kelly. Come on, girl.
Get some goose pastrami. Come on, Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Good girl. That thing's bigger than you, little lady. Come on. Come on. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Drop. Good girl. Hey, Kelly. Kelly. Back. Get the bird.
Get it, Cal. Damn, that thing.
Beefcake, baby. Robin hit me in the forehead with her shell, though. I was like this. I would boom, blink, blink.
Get it, Cal. Good girl. Come on. Oh, it's so heavy. Come on, Cal.
That'll count. That'll count. We'll count it. Get out of there. Leave it. Good girl. No jewelry. Oh, don't move. There's a duck. Why do they always gotta fly over me? Yeah, he's coming. He's gonna come over the top. Yep, right over the top. You might have to take him on this one. He's coming over the top. No, he's not. He's circling again. Oh, he's coming over the top again. Come right over the top. Over my right shoulder. Right over the top. Oh, he's gonna come. Do you see him? He's right out in front.
Are you waiting for the geese?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I think he just saw Kelly. It's just one goose. You turn around, you can come over the top. Shh, don't move, don't move. He's coming down. He's coming. He's gonna float right over top of us. Okay, try not to move. They look like they're gonna come right in on a string. Okay. Try not to move. They're right here, Robin. They're gonna turn right in front of us. Okay, they're coming. They're coming. You guys get ready. You ready? 1, 2, 3. There's 2 shells in my gun.
Oh, we got one. My safety was on, so it took me forever to turn it off.
I only had 2 shells on my gun.
Come on, Callie, over here, over here.
Good girl. Leave it. Maybe I should have let them land. Some of them, well, 2 of them were landed. The rest were joining them.
I don't even remember what I shot.
Jeez.
I feel like when I pop up, it just takes me too long to
Gather your... I'll try to tell you.
Me too, because I'm like, don't shoot the decoy.
Yeah.
Remember, we have 2.
Yeah.
You have 2 noobs, and we need a second.
They're coming in on a string. They might come down.
Want me to pull that one?
That's geese. These ones are still on board. Yep, yep, yep. Over my right shoulder, try not to move. They're leaving. Can't see them. Oh no, they're coming. No, 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 no. Coming right over our head. We're gonna shoot on this one probably. Yeah. Nope, nope, nope. Don't move. Flying over. We should have shot. We should have shot on that one.
They got really
Dang
close.
it. Oh yeah, we could have pounded them. I just wanted to let, because now factual English is hard.
Oh, they're turning.
No, they're not coming back. Now I'm worried about like letting you guys see before I call it. So now that's
Yeah.
all I'm thinking instead of just.
Oh, just call it and see if something different. Now you can only shoot one more goose.
Yep. Okay, so GoPros were on the charger. I have some on my Instagram story. I'll see if I can save it or do whatever with it and get it on the video. But we just made one retrieve. Callie girl's got one in her mouth and there's one floating. This one's gonna fight her, so. So freaking cool. Well, we're looking for one more goose, then we're freaking out of here. We need some wind. The wind isn't helping us at all.
Come on, Cal.
Yeah, the wind's just not. Wind's fighting us. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Kelly, come. Good girl. Come on, bring it here. Leave it. Kelly. Good bird. Back. 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 Yeah, so we got. Show you guys the update. Oh yeah, so we got 3 in that, and we already had 4 in the blind. We can only shoot 4 darks here. So that leaves us one more goose. So we're hopefully gonna slam one more goose and get out of here. I'll check back in with you guys. I'll show you guys the pile in a minute here. Okay, so here we go. We got 7 geese, 2 birds. We knew this was more of a goose hunt when we found it yesterday. It was mostly geese. We saw flights. Hopefully it wasn't that flight, but we saw a flight of freaking about 100 come in, and then a couple more groups after that at about noon, 1 o'clock. We're hoping we can just get one straggler before that, and then we're out of here. But look at this. This is typical to where we are from. Just a little pothole in the sagebrush desert, but it is absolutely beautiful morning. The wind's fighting us. It seems to be breezy. It's supposed to be 10 to 15. It's 2 maybe. But it blows pretty good when there's no birds. Then when the birds start working, it stops, and then the decoys stop moving and all that stuff. So we've struggled. We got them to land that time. I'm gonna see if I can figure out a way to get the story onto the old boob tube, but we'll see. Anyways, apparently the wife's bored. A limited geese isn't enough. She's gonna hijack the camera. We're gonna see what she does.
Hey guys, I told Brett that he doesn't show enough of himself on here, so I was gonna ask him some questions.
Definitely not putting that in there.
Why not?
You make it sound like Dr. Phil has the camera.
No, I don't. I am your Dr. Phil with hair.
Got some problems, so
Okay, so I'm gonna ask Brett a few questions so you guys can get to know him a little better.
no.
Yeah. What made you start duck hunting?
My dad duck hunted. I don't know. He just always took me.
When did you start?
I started with a cork gun, and then had a BB gun, and then made it to a shotgun. And I think I first was going out at like 6 or 7, but I was getting carried out to the blind. And then I think by the time I was 13, I had a shotgun and was shooting.
Where did you guys duck hunt together?
Central Valley, California. Chico area all the way down to Grizzly Island.
Did you have a duck club there?
My dad belonged to a duck club near Grizzly Island. And then as I got older, I started becoming a refuge rat and running around Maxwell, Calusa, all those refugees up there.
Where'd you go to college?
Eco State.
Did you duck hunt in college?
No, not as much as I should have.
What's your favorite thing about duck hunting?
Probably the birds working.
Yeah.
I like figuring out the birds, knowing when to call, when not to call, what decoys are doing good, motion, no motion, wings, no wings. Kind of a puzzle, and then when they work, it's nice.
He dealt with enough, so now you guys know a little bit about Brett.
You guys were on the charger, and he buzzed us, and I heard him, but old wifey shot her first greenhead. It's a shame. I was hoping she'd just be a Susie Slayer like me. I prefer the brown birds. Anyways, I was gonna back her up, but there was no need. I could have grabbed the camera. Flexing. Well, that just puts us instant karma for flexing. Anyways, if it's, watch it be banded. No, there's no bands. Yeah, anyways, so we're still at the 7 geese. Now we're at 3 birds. This is a stud bird. It's not alive. Woo! Look at that big, northern bird. Yeah, buddy. Look at them feet. Ooh! Party in the US of A, baby. Just waiting for that last goose and we're out of here, but we'll take singles. Suicide a single? Suicide a single gonna do that? We gonna do it. Oh, quiet, babe. You're good. Go. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Right over top of us. Okay, they're gonna be right back where that other one was. Do you have 2 shells in there? I have 3. Yeah, 3's perfect. That's what I meant. Can I stay? Yeah, 2 drakes. What? 2 green-headed ones and not a brown one.
Isn't a mallard a green-headed one?
Mallard is a green-head. They're the same. Drake is a boy. Drake means a male. Drake means, no. Drake means a male duck. It can be a drake widgeon or a drake teal or a drake goose. Yeah. They're gonna be right in our decoys, babe. They're right where you shot the one on. Get ready, 1, 2. Whatever you want. Nice shot, babe. That one was far. Hope I have the camera on.
Did you?
I don't know. Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Bingo, baby! We are getting some ducks today. We dropped 3. 1 went out in the desert. Gonna be a nightmare to look for, but I'll go look for it. And then I believe it's 2 drakes and a hen. A Sue. See? You shot it.
I know.
I wanted to. I didn't. That boy's out of shape. We had to walk all the way around to get the one last drake. Then we're gonna go look for that desert one. Get the bird. That's the ticket. Leave it. Good girl. Leave. Well, mid-morning update, midday update, whatever it is. I don't know where I'm at. Wilson! We are still waiting for our lone goose. It has been pretty much been a flight of birds somewhere, whether it's ducks or geese, every 15 minutes. It's supposed to be a 10-mile-an-hour wind, which was perfect. It hasn't been, and it's been dead, and then kind of picks up to maybe 5 miles an hour. So when the birds come, when it's windy, they're finishing, they're landing, we're getting shots. When they come and it's dead, they keep flying. I mean, they look at us and they circle. They get within shooting range, but I don't know. I guess you guys know how I am. I kind of like them feet down, swimming around.
You can probably hear me chewing.
Yeah, chomping away.
Sorry.
But we've trickled. There have been some ducks trickling in while we're waiting for this last goose, so we're taking advantage of it. But I don't know when the last time I showed you guys has been. So 5 ducks, 7 geese. We can only shoot 8. So we're just waiting for the last one. I don't even know what's going on outside.
The last melon.
Yeah, I've been sitting in this blind. It's slowed down a little bit. So like I said, it's been coming every 15 minutes. I haven't seen one, maybe 30, 40 minutes. But we're putting a 12 o'clock time limit on it. I think we got here at 12:15 yesterday, and there were flights of geese everywhere. So we have a 12 o'clock cutoff, and then we'll see what happens. I don't mind staying out here so late. We're thinking we might be able to get permission on this field for next year, or this pond for next year. Hopefully kind of lock it down. There are some other people that hunt here from time to time, but I don't know. I'll try to lease it and get it, or work with them, who knows. But I don't mind staying here shooting them up. And then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and Monday and just see if they've came back. You know, these birds just could be the few birds that use it and it's never shootable again. So I don't mind staying out here really late. 12. Not late for some of you guys, late for me. I only shoot about an hour or so, then I go home. But keep you guys posted. All right, guys, I realized I was messing around. I didn't get a pile pick. I was taking pictures, but didn't get it for the YouTube. But anyways, this was it. 7 geese, 5 mallards, and then the crown jewel, little Susie. Yeah, well, I mean, it was a pretty good hunt. I am gonna go back tomorrow and see if the birds come in. Like I said, we might try to lease that field for next year. So I'm gonna check it tomorrow, see if the birds are there, and then maybe start working on what I'm gonna work out with the farmer there. But thank you guys for watching. I'm sure if you guys are on Instagram, you saw the pile pick. If you're not on Instagram, follow us on Instagram at Natural Waterfowl. And thank you guys. Please subscribe, please like, please do all that stuff. I'm trying hard to get on hunts for you guys. I'm trying.